From those around, I hear a cry. Oh God, my eyes are blind. From those around, I hear a cry, a muffled sob, a hopeless sigh. I hear their footsteps leaving slow, and then I know my soul must fly. A chilly wind begins to blow within my soul from head to toe, and then last breath escapes my lips. It's time to leave and I must go.
So it is true, but it's too late.
They said each soul has its given day,
When it must leave its body's core
and meet with its eternal fate.
Oh, mark the words that I do say. Who knows tomorrow could be your day.
At last it comes to heaven or hell. Decide which now, do not delay.
Come on, my brothers, let us pray. Decide which now, do not delay.
Come on, my brothers, let us pray. Decide which now, do not delay.